Hi. This app enables you to easily create Gantt charts from a hierarchical task list in Excel. This quick start tutorial shows you how to add new tasks, set relationships, configure holidays, and use resources. First, visit the subscription portal at uniformsoftware.com. Download and open the installer file. Click Install. The app is launching for the first time. Visit the License Support tab. Click Change Account to pick a licensed account. Start Excel. Go to Boost Excel Ribbon tab. Click Add New Gantt Chart and then Simple Gradient. Click the task 1.2 AA2. Click Duplicate on the ribbon 3 times. Name the copied tasks AA3, AA4, and AA5 respectively. Click the Finish cell of task AA1. Click the pop-up icon to show the date picker. Click on day 10 of the same month. Notice the duration was changed too. Double-click the task name cell of task AA1. This opens the Task Edit window for AA1. Click Add New Successor 3 times. Set the successor tasks to AA2, AA3, and AA4. Set all 3 lag fields to 2. Click Save and then Close. The chart shows the 3 finish to start relationships. Double-click task AA5. Click Add New Predecessor 3 times. Set the tasks to AA2, AA3, AA4. Set the dependency to finish. Click Save, and then Close. The chart shows the new dependencies. Double-click AA5 again. Check the milestone box. Click Save, and then Close. A milestone always has a period of 1 day. Double-click task AA5. Click Add New Successor. Set the successor task to BB1. Set the dependency to start. Click Save, and then Close. The start date of task BB1 now depends on AA5. Double-click task BB1. Click Add New Successor. Set the task to BB2. Set the dependency to start to finish. Set the lag to 2. Click Save, and then Close. By default, this template doesn't show %complete. Here's how to make it visible. Click Task List columns on the ribbon. Select %complete on the table. Click Unhide, and then Close. The task table now shows the %complete column. Click Chart Elements and then %complete on the ribbon. The %complete bars show over the estimated bars. Click Holidays on the ribbon. Add a holiday, June holiday, from June 2nd to June 3rd. Click OK. Click Resource on the ribbon. Click Add on the toolbar. Change the resource name to Tom. Check the rest days, Sunday and Monday. Check June holiday for Tom. Click OK to save the data. Click the resource cell of task AA2. Click the pop-up button to show all the resources. Check Tom, and then click OK. The rest days and duration are changed. Click Export to PDF on the ribbon. Take a look at the options. Click Export to PDF on the toolbar. This is the output PDF file. Return to Excel. Click Chart Elements on ribbon, click Dependency. Choose Calendar Views, and then Weekly View. You can export this chart too. Click Export to PDF on the toolbar. This is the weekly chart exported in PDF format. This tutorial demonstrates the basics of adding new tasks, setting relationships, configuring holidays, and setting up resources. Visit our subscription portal at uniformsoftware.com and subscribe from the Microsoft Commercial Marketplace to begin your fully functional 1-month free trial.